Hi guys, it's the Woodpecker here, and welcome to a PC build video with a little bit of a twist. In this video I'll be updating my graphics card. This is my current one. This is the Asus Nvidia GT210 with 1GB of RAM. I got this card, I believe, in about May 2014, and I uploaded a video in June because I wanted it to be like a 1000 view special, which I believe in the description of that video it does indeed say that. A link to that video will be in the description of this video and will also be up here on the actual video itself. So yeah, if you want to pause this video and go back and check when I put this card in my Packer Bell, go ahead and do that right now and see exactly how really bad I was at recording video back then. This is my replacement card. This is the EVGA Nvidia GeForce GTX 750 Ti with 2GB of RAM. On the back this says DVI, which I'll be using an adapter which is included, HDMI and DisplayPort. It's got a nice big fan on it and it's really shiny. This will be, I believe, an incredible upgrade, and later on in the video you'll see me playing a few games on it so we can kind of test the performance of it. So yeah, when I do the unboxing of this I do apologise for the quality because unfortunately I recorded it on my camcorder, but yeah, let's get straight on with the graphics card change. I do hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this screw. You may notice this expansion slot cover is missing. That's because my new card is double size, and look at that. Managed to get the screw to stay just on the end. Yeah, because the new card's double size, so obviously it needs to be twice height. This is the old card. This is the Asus Nvidia GT210. It's got VGA, HDMI and DVI. Nice big heatsink. Back in June 2014 I did do a video of this when I first got it, and that link will be in the description. And yeah, unfortunately with the focus, there we go. Unfortunately with the unboxing of the new graphics card, because my camera battery, unfortunately I did it with my camcorder, which I thought would be, because it's a camcorder, I thought that'd be really good quality, but unfortunately it's not even HD. So I do apologise for the low quality of the next clip. Here is the new graphics card. It's a EVGA Nvidia GeForce GTX 750 Ti with 2GB of RAM. So let's go straight ahead and unbox this. Oh, look at that. There's actually a little tear in the plastic. I shall try and use that to my advantage. There we go. Let's open all of this. Got rid of that. That was nice and easy. Now, is this a flip? Okay, so is this a slide? It's a slide one. Oh, if you want to have a look at the specs, there they are at the top. You can pause it right now if you wish to. After struggling with this box for what seemed like forever, I finally opened the flaps on the end. Can I get the actual innards out? There we go. It comes. Still something in there. Oh, I think it's just a cardboard insert. If any of you know what game this is from, if it is from a game, I'm not entirely sure, then yeah, I might be being a bit derpy, but I don't know if it is from a game or not, because it does have the EVGA logo in the centre, but still, cool little poster. I'll probably put it up like right over there next to my Minecraft poster. Should be quite cool. Here is the user guide. Just gonna go down and kneel. Here's the. So in here you've got the various instructions how to use it. So yeah, it's just like telling you how to install the cards and that. Of course, yes, if you have multiple ones. Here's the most important bit. The driver CD or DVD. Crikey, it's a very dark. Yeah, I've never seen one of these paper optical disc holders before that isn't white. I think I've seen one that was yellow before, or I'm not 100% sure, but still, pretty cool. I'm going to need to keep that driver disc as well. Old printer. So here's the actual card. Oh, before we get to the card itself, we do have a, which I will need to use. This is a, let's cut this thing open. Okay, so we're now on the tripod, and you can see here we've just got the little DVI to VGA adapter, so that we'll be able to plug in this monitor. Which for Christmas I am getting a new monitor. It's a Samsung, I believe, full HD, 21-inch. So that'll be a nice replacement for that. Okay, so moving on from the adapter, we have the actual graphics card itself, which I think we're a little bit too zoomed in. Yeah, we are a little. Here it is. So impressive, it needs to be kept in 2 bags. Wow. Gosh, I'm fabulous. Got stuck. Little things going through the plastic. Look at that. Look at it. Isn't it impressive? It's even got little covers over the connectors. Wow. I am pleased that I brought this. Just looking at it, it looks so cool. Yeah, don't worry that I'm putting it on the bed and that, because it's got covers over all of its connectors, like the PCI Express slot. Connector rather. Derps. The nice big fan. And just take a minute to look at this. Isn't it just incredible? It's even got handwritten notes on it of some description. Just wow. Absolutely amazing. Can't wait to put this in the PC. Okay, so there is our target PCI Express 16 slot. So let's just carefully lower the graphics card into the slot. With the little tab going in there, and push right the way down, like so. Now we just need to get some screws and screw it in there. And oh, look at that, the fan just misses my IDE controller card. Oh, talking about hard drives, I recently got this if you can get the light, there we go, kinda. This SanDisk 240 gig SSD, and oh my god, was that a pain to install. Also got this Hitachi Travelstar 80 gig, and this old Maxtor 160 gig, I believe, ID hard drive, hence the controller card. But anyway, back to the topic of this video. I'm just going to screw in some of these screws to hold this in, and then we'll go straight on ahead with the driver install and testing out some games. Okay, so I'm now back on my Olympus. I'm just going to, got all the stuff plugged in, I'm just going to flick the power switch and switch it on. Well, it's come on. Now that is a good sign. Which screen is it going to go to? If any. Hopefully it'll work. Oh, it's gone to the correct screen, so to speak. I will speed up the boot up, even though it doesn't exactly take a long time to boot. I mean, it's an SSD, you know. We are now running Windows 8.1, not Windows 7, because for some reason Windows 7 would just not boot no matter what I tried. It would just sit there and... oh good, oh my goodness, it looks so... oh, can I even press Control Alt Delete? Yes I can. Just type in my username and password. There we go, let's log in. Of course we're not going to have any graph... whoa! Okay. What resolution are we at? 1020... I remember when 1024 by 768 was like a normal resolution. It still is, but it was like usable. But now it just makes everything absolutely gigantic. I think we're gonna have to enlist the help of this DVD. The disc is in the drive. Okay, let's see what comes up. Tap to choose what happens with the disc. Run auto run. Oh, yeah. Install. I don't like Adobe Reader. Install the video drivers, of course. Here we go. Checking the system compatibility. Oh yes. I agree and continue. Custom. Just in case there's anything like weird that it installs. Perform a clean installation, just in case anything left of it before. Free remotes, save £40 when you buy a Shield Android TV. Oh, yep! Yes! Is it correctly done though? Let's just move this across. Oh yes! It's correctly. Damn! Apparently, install. Oh, there we go. it made Explorer crash. We're a little bit of the way through. Let's install the rest of this just because we can. Let's install DirectX 10/11. I don't think I actually have anything that uses DirectX. I don't think. But let's just install it anyway because why not? We're getting substantially higher frames per second in Minecraft. I've put the render distance right up to unlimited because I am running up to fine. I'll quickly join a server just so we can see. Let's just join the Hive because everyone knows the Hive and everyone loves the Hive. We'll see if we get any better FPS in here. Let's put it full screen as well, because why not? It's substantially better. 160. Well, it kind of jumps around a bit. But that is, if I was with the old card, if I was playing full screen, I'd only get about 50 or so frames. Oh, it dropped below 100. It seems to drop a little bit, but that is kind of to be expected. I mean, it's not likely to stay the same, is it? I'm going to try one more game before I wrap this video up, and that is Goat Simulator. Just because it's a cool little game, right? There it is. The goat. The holy goat. Oh, what? Just gotta wait for this stuff to install. Goat Simulator! Because everyone has wanted to be a goat at some point in their lives. That stuff didn't take very long to install either, thanks to the power of SSDs. I'll tell you what, there's no way that I would ever, well, certainly that I'd install Windows on a hard drive, unless I could avoid it, because it's just, oh my goodness, SSDs are still, this is taking a bit of a time, so I'm not sure if it's crashed or not. Wouldn't that be bad? Right when I was recording, if it crashed. Here we are! It finally loaded. I think this is on the SSD. It might not. Oh, press any key. What resolution are we on? We're on 720p. Let's see if we can put this to the highest this monitor goes to, which is 1680 by 1050. Let's apply it. Blank. There we go. Oh, it's a little bit jumpy then. Field of view. I'll just leave all that stuff to the basic, and I'll just simply just hit straight away and play. And there we are. We are the goat. This is going to be incredibly difficult to play one-handed, but let's just jump over the fence. Yeah. I love this game. It's so much fun. I haven't played it in a while, so I'm not entirely sure what the controls are. Now I think, I don't know. Anyway, I think you're just jump over an obstacle. Anyway, this is not a Goat Simulator Let's Play. This is a graphics card install video. So I've just got run over by a truck. Now that is why, when you go, you do not go and stand right in the middle of the road. Life skills right there. So that's about it. Because this graphics card arrived from Germany, there's a couple of vouchers that came with it. I've got €30 off some kind of food, which is also available on the App Store, which I don't have any Apple products, so I won't be able to look for that. Yeah, it looks like some kind of healthy food. It's €4.50 per something. I'm not entirely sure if that says meal or not. If you are German or you know German, just leave a comment in the comment section below, because I have no idea what these. I have an idea that's for Audible. But on the other side, we've got €5 off some kind of decorations. I thought at first, because it's Christmas soon, I thought it was Christmas, but roses at Christmas, that's a bit odd. So I'm not entirely sure what that is. Yeah, I suppose I could have a look online and see if these websites have any English versions. But I am diverging from the topic of this video. As you can see behind me, I'm still playing Goat Simulator, and so far it seems to be working perfectly fine. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did. Comment and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter at @thewoodpecker1 and on Instagram _thewoodpecker_. The links will all be in the description below, and I'll see you all later. Bye guys.